I didn't see you there. Right now, I'm trying to solve a Rubik's Cube one-sided. So, today, I'm going to teach you how to solve a Rubik's Cube one-sided. Okay, guys? So, first step is to know what all the cubes are called. Okay? So, this is called a corner. These four are called corners. These four are called edges. And the middle one is called middle. Okay? So, today, I'm going to solve the white color. Okay? So right now we have one white here already. So now we need to find all the whites in each of the edges. Okay, guys? So now there's no white in the edges over here. Edges, no white here. Oh, we found a white. Cool. Now this can go. We have to, if we want it to be easier, just hold it with the finger. Then search where the middle white is, okay? So now if it's here, okay? So turn it around 2 times, okay? Turn 3 times, or you can just do the other way. Okay, so now we turned it here and it's over here, right? So now we needed this one. So we only turn this one. From here, we just move the middle one up. Okay, and okay, now we need this one. So, okay, so now we need to bring this one over here. Now we got a plus. Now, if you want to get all the corners now, you just need to go. If you want this one, you have to move it right, okay? So now, then just do this. Oh, sorry, I made a mistake. So now we found a white over here, but this is over here. So just pull it down. As according to the procedure, you should keep on doing it. But if you want to be quicker, just do like this, okay, guys? Now let's do the rest. If you're having difficulties, just do the other side. Like right now, I'm having. Yes, I got one. Now we need to get the other one. Where's that other white? Oh, I got another one. Now, we need to get the last one. Let's do it, guys.
Start.
Uh-oh, it's not coming. So, yeah, get that, then this, that, then put that there, then yes. Hooray! We got it! See? Now if you understand, then click on the subscribe button if you like this video. Thank you. Bye bye.